Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, we welcome you to the channel, and I hope you find something in this video informational. So Alchemy Pay, ACH, one of the biggest projects out there that nobody seems to be talking about. They are doing some things that is going to revolutionize the crypto industry as we know it, and they have the backing to back them up. So sit back and relax as we decrypt Alchemy Pay. Okay, before we go any further, just want to stop and say thank you to everybody that has liked and subscribed my previous videos. I really do appreciate it. My goal for the end of April was going to be 200 subscribers. I'm sitting at 198 at the time of the filming of this. So thank you to everybody that's helped out. I really do appreciate you guys. You are amazing. You keep me going. I could not thank you enough. So moving on to Alchemy Pay, let's dive in to see what they have on their website that is going to blow you guys' mind. Check this out. Okay, checking out their website, you can see their mission to provide mainstream friendly payment solutions that promote the global adoption of cryptocurrency by connecting fiat and crypto economies. Alchemy Pay is a gateway payment provider for transacting between fiat and cryptocurrency. Founded in Singapore in 2017, Alchemy Pay is a payment gateway that seamlessly connects crypto with traditional fiat currencies for businesses, developers, and users. It supports payments in 173 countries. So right now, Alchemy Pay is really taking over in a major way, but very quietly. I don't hear a lot of people talking about this project or this company, but out in Singapore and the eastern side of the world, this is huge. And they are tied to some major names, which we'll dive into here just in a second. But long story short, their goal is to make it as seamless as possible for any user to switch from fiat to cryptocurrency on one network without you needing two different platforms to make that happen. That's going to be huge because that is how you're going to get a global adoption. Seamless as possible, and people don't even know they're on the network. That's what's going to make it. And that's just in my opinion. So now let's check it out over here on CoinMarketCap. Right now, Alchemy Pay is sitting at 2 cents, creeping on 3 cents. With a market cap of 257 million, with a 24-hour volume of 217 million, total supply of 10 billion ACH, circulating supply of 8.92 billion. Then you look over here on the 1 month, the trend, you'll see that, yeah, we did take that dip, but everybody's taking that dip, so I'm not too worried about that. Looking on the 1 week, though, you do see it bouncing back, and you see it's growing strong right now. So it's picking up. Is making some waves out there. So if you haven't checked them out, I would definitely say go check them out. Do your own research. Like always, this is never financial advice. I'm just sharing some projects I see out there that I think other people should look into. So hopefully you're checking that out. And as we move on, we're about to check out the CEO and what they're talking about, who they're tied to, and how it was founded. So it's pretty impressive. So look right over here on YouTube. You'll see that the CEO talking about that.
Alchemy was first founded in 2018 when a team of veterans from the traditional finance and payment industries hailing from corporate giants such as PayPal, HSBC, MasterCard that came together to explore the role of cryptocurrencies in adding value to the world for cross-border transactions. While cryptocurrencies have a lot of potential on this front, it remains too cumbersome to adopt for most businesses and people who are not already involved in this space. At a point in time, and even right now, crypto payment companies provided solutions that can solely accept cryptocurrencies. This proved to be an adoption roadblock as businesses are not willing to take on a whole new payment system just to accept a new payment method that they are not even familiar with. Now, this is the reason why Alchemy Pay launched the world's first hybrid payment solution, which enables our clients to accept both cryptocurrencies and mainstream fiat payment channels in just one single solution. Our hybrid solution was first deployed in 2019 across world-renowned merchants such as Celavi, Aldo, and PriceFreud in Singapore and Hong Kong. Today, we have expanded our reach and support to over 70 countries and regions. This solution effectively enables Alchemy to bridge the crypto world to the mainstream world so crypto holders can access real-world products and services. In addition to our crypto payment capabilities, we also provide fiat payment channels and on-ramp solutions to public blockchains and crypto services providers so they can reach the majority of the world who are not already in the crypto sphere.
Okay, you're hearing it from the CEO of Alchemy Pay directly. PayPal, HSBC, MasterCard all came together to form Alchemy Pay. They decided to come together and build their own crypto project that benefits them the most, essentially. They know what they need and they're building that out. That's how I view it. Don't take my advice on that. That's just how I translate this. But ACH was also a very interesting, choice for their ticker because you already have an ACH in the banking system now. You've probably seen it all around you. You haven't probably thought very much about it, but you look at it right over here. What is an ACH transaction? An ACH transaction is an electronic money transfer made between banks and credit unions across a network called the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH. ACH is used for all kinds of money transfers, including direct deposit of paychecks and monthly debits for routine payments. Businesses often allow you to pay bills via ACH by providing your account number and bank routing number. Some online payment services also conduct transactions via ACH, including online bill payment services through banks and credit unions. So we do know that ACH is already a form of transactions like wiring, etc. But now you have the new form of ACH coming in that's going to move fiat and cryptocurrency. So that's pretty mind-blowing right there if you don't think so. I think so. So they're reforming what ACH is and taking on a new name. But if we keep on going, you'll see right over here that they're also all about regulation and make sure they're doing it right. Although they are a Singapore company, they want to make sure they're doing it right in the United States. So right over here, it came out April 14th, 2025. Alchemy Pay expands U.S. licensing footprint with Arizona money transmitter license approval. Alchemy Pay, the world-leading fiat crypto payment solutions provider, is pleased to announce that it successfully obtained a money transmitter license, MTL, in Arizona of the United States. Issued by Arizona Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions, this approval marks a significant milestone in Alchemy Pay's commitment to regulatory compliance and financial security. With the addition of Arizona, Alchemy Pay now holds money transmitter licenses in 9 U.S. states, including Arkansas, Iowa, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Oregon, and Wyoming. The company continues to expand its regulatory footprint with additional applications currently under review in multiple jurisdictions. They have 9 of the 50 states already approved for MTLs, with more under review. You know they're going for all 50 states. That's just gonna happen. You have MasterCard and PayPal and HSBC behind them. You know that's gonna happen. There's no way these major companies, especially MasterCard, they're gonna make it happen. And this is where I want to stress with people that are new to the market. So right now, yeah, it's only 2 cents. These are penny stocks, but you have to keep in mind every major project out there started off at these levels. So let's say right now, yeah, it's 2 cents, but you have the opportunity to buy 100,000, 200,000 shares over time. Don't go out there and waste all your money in one spot. But let's say you get to 100,000 shares, that goes to $2. Just this project goes to $2. That's $200,000 in your pocket because you got in early, you did the research, you stayed patient, and you let it pay off over time. You didn't go in there and chase the next hot thing and lost money like a lot of people do. That's why I always say, make sure you know what you're investing in and why you're investing in that project. With something like ACH or Alchemy Pay, if you will, they have major names tied to them. I think they're going to be around for a while unless something crazy comes out of nowhere, which can happen in this industry. But look over here. Look at these payment channels they have currently. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Apple Pay, Google Pay, list goes on. Keep going down with their partners. As you see, they have multiple partners doing some major things. Then off-ramps, I love to see that Casper, XDC, BTCC is on there as well. Then listed exchanges, they are on every exchange essentially that is out there. If you check that out, like they are a major player that's deeply tied and deeply connected. I don't think people realize this yet. And just keep on going down some more. They're actually Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance. They're a founding member of Blockchain Infrastructure Alliance. The BIA brings together the leaders, innovators, and experts who are shaping the blockchain industry. Alchemy Pay founded BIA alongside leading networks such as, here we go, Polygon, Algorand, Avalanche, and VeChain, amongst others. So here you are seeing Alchemy Pay being a leader in this industry, not just one of these people that are follower tagging on, not knocking on any of their projects. Of course, that's how this system works. But they are setting themselves as a leader. That's what I'm looking for when I'm investing. Who is the one running it? Who has the backing? Who knows what they're doing? I feel like this is one of those projects. So speaking of that, what else is huge in the industry? We know stable coins, right? That's going to be the next big thing. But all that really is coming down to RWA, real world assets. So you look at them right now, if you look over here on their website, it's coming soon, but it says unlock real world asset investment through global fiat payments, the ultimate gateway for users to invest in various RWA tokens with fiat payments and earn stable returns effortlessly. Then you keep on going. It says, unleash the potential of real-world asset investments. Investing in stocks, funds, treasury bills has remained a largely inaccessible for small investors due to barriers such as high capital requirements, market access restrictions, and liquidity constraints. RWA-backed tokens break down barriers, empowering retail investors with a wider range of investment opportunities. So if you look at it, that's the bigger picture of what crypto really is going to come down to is, yes, it's moving money faster, quicker, more securely. All that's happening, but also behind it, it's going to open the door for everyday retail investors to get into projects that you used to have, $1 million to be put up or $100,000 put up to even invest in this. But now that's going to give the everyday retail investor like you and I the opportunity to invest in these different treasury bills, stocks, real estate, et cetera, through tokenization. So that's the bigger picture here. And Alchemy Pay is seeing that writing on the wall. So this is a project, like I said, not a lot of people are talking about. And I hope that you see the bigger scale here, more the macro view, and understand, yeah, it's 2 cents now, but think of it one day. If you bought early, you stack over time, you DCA, dollar cost average in over time. Don't go out and sell your house or anything for it, of course, but do the research, make your own decision, talk to your financial advisor, whoever it may be, but see if that's something for you, because I think this is the next big project that nobody seems to be discussing. So with that, I do hope you found this information in this video valuable. If you did, please, like, subscribe, consider all those things. I really do appreciate that. Like I said, I was trying to get to 200 subscribers by the end of April. So if you could help me out, that'd be awesome. With that being said, we're going to wrap it up and we'll see you on the next one.